Okay guys, this is, on the way to the cabin, and that's the cabin right there. Maraming lamok guys. But this is the cabin. You can see they have boat or canoe, and this is the cabin. It's so cute. And then there's a sign here, outer crossing. And look at this view. Look at this space outside. We have a dining table out here, and there's a creek here. We see otters here, and there were some great herons here yesterday that we saw. And this is really cute at night. And guys, pasok na ako sa bahay. Shoes off daw. And nandito po si Silver. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey!
Hey ka muna.
Hey ka muna.
Kamusta ang first night?
Ayos lang. Pretty.
Pretty daw guys. But let me give you a tour. Let me give you a tour of our Airbnb. Let me go outside. Because we didn't really have a good lighting yesterday. So 1 second.
Natin 6 eh.
Oh, ano sabi mo ulit?
Dapat usapan 6 para saktong 8.
Oh. Watch it later guys. Sabi niya dapat saktong 8 daw. Pero anong ginagawa natin dito?
Tambay lang din. Nagluluto pa lang.
Anong niluluto natin?
Special from France. Spam Vomo.
Yeah, voila.
Voila.
So guys, right, we have a dining table here. It's pretty small space. The kitchen, and then there's this island right here. Some chairs and a sofa bed, and this ancient, really beautiful furnace. For winter. And then up here is the stairs.
Upstairs. Up we go.
Yeah, the stairs. So let's go upstairs. And then there's some holding bars up here that you can hold on to. Aray. And then this is our room. There's 3 beds. Very cute. This is where I slept last night. And then look at that view. You woke up and then you see the view. Amazing. And then this is where Silver slept last night. And then there's an extra bed. Go back downstairs, and then there's some books right there you can see, and some games I think. Yeah, their collection right there. And then nagluluto po ng spam si Silver. That's
Tunog na.
typical
Well done.
Filipino breakfast, spam. And we also have like French press here for coffee, so amazing. Hey, G. Oh, andito na yung mga Okay, andito na sila.
Oy, dito na kayo. I got some rice for you.
Rice. Ba't parang ang daming dala ni Kyla, ikaw yung kanin lang? Akin na.
Thank you po. Yan yung yung inasal.
Inasal. Yung itlog.
Andiyan na yan, itlog.
Naluto na yan? Hindi pa. French press. Ayan meron ng coffee dyan.
Ayun, sama.
Ayan ibuhos mo na lang.
Ito na yung joke. Funny? Funny, di ba?
Paano?
Ibig na actually yung dalawa, matatawa na lang sila sa'yo.
Shoes, diba? So,
mo lang si Viv because of ending
Ay, gago, hindi mo.
Hindi ko tinapos.
Sobrang weird, pre.
Ayaw niya nasasawa niya.
Sino?